Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rukziee here. If you are a newbie, welcome aboard. If you are my subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Today I will be doing a first impression, not really first impression.
I had some hiccups on my last video.
And so I will be doing some first impression on a couple products that I have been using for a while. A while means like 2 weeks, and also I do have a new product that I just got from Sephora. I am really excited to go ahead and tell you guys on all this, and of course a makeup tutorial as well, where I will be doing a basic look, my go-to quickest way of my eye makeup. So with further ado, let's just go ahead and get started.
See what came in the mail today.
A concealer. I am super excited to use this. Let's just go ahead and get started. I've already done my brows. Right now I'm into this feathery rough brows, so if you can see how it looks. I haven't concealed or anything, but I have primed my eyes using my go-to primer, the Sisley primer, the double tensor. Guys, I am in love with this primer.
The Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Master Collection palette. Honestly, these brushes are soft to touch. They're definitely worth it. I definitely would suggest buying these if you need a new set. Great price and great quality.
Hill brush JH03. This is my first time using it, so I'm really excited. I'm not a go-to person to use brushes for foundation, but I do know it is worth it, so we will definitely do that. But I'm also gonna go ahead and use a color corrector today. I'm using Sephora color corrector in Bright Future, and it's not my go-to, but it has a wand, so I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the areas where I need some coverage. The foundation from Dior that I really love. I've been using it for the past 1 week, and yeah, it's just so good. It gives you that flawless finish, and I'm in the shade 40.
Using a couple of pumps of the foundation,
and I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything with this. Oh my god, this brush is so soft. I really like the foundation and the coverage that it gives me. In these 2 pumps that I've used, it is way more than enough for me. I have been using the Tasha Luminous Mist, and guys, this is so good. It is a setting spray that gives dewiness to your skin, so it doesn't look so matte and looks hydrated. I'm really excited to use this Huda Beauty high coverage Overachiever concealer.
it is said to be enriched with best skincare active.
And my shade is Toasted Almond. Hopefully this is the right shade.
It has a luxurious Zamek tip, a cooling metal applicator which helps to instantly soothe and depuff as you apply, and leaves you looking refreshed and awake.
Oh wow, you guys, this is so freaking good. Very pigmented. Definitely full coverage. Oh my god, I really like it. It's so cold on my skin, kind of helps to relax. Go ahead and start blending. I'm using the same brush. You can always use another brush. I am really impressed, you guys. Look at this. Just go ahead and quickly bake and make sure everything set so it doesn't start to crease. I'm using my go-to Cover FX powder in translucent. I love this one. I love, 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 love. The areas that I know that I will crease.
Using JH10 brush and NARS bronzer in Laguna, I am now going to go ahead and bronze my face off camera, and then we'll continue with the look.
To do a basic eyeshadow look that you can do every day, you know, just suddenly you have to go somewhere and you really want to do your eyeshadow. I love the Huda Beauty warm brown palette, and it's full and it's perfect for fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a short blending brush, tapered JH37, and I'm gonna go with fresh. I'm gonna go with this light orange here and have a crease line with the same brush. Again, from outwards to inwards, you guys already know this. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do it. Brown color with the same brush. You can always use any other brush.
Using JH42 brush, tin shader brush, and I'm gonna color the inner corner of the eye.
The bronzy gold color in the middle of this palette, and you guys, this is so good. So I'm gonna use a flat shader brush similar to like 2 for 2 from MAC. I'm just gonna dab the product first. Go back with that short tapered brush that I used. I'm gonna blend the product again. Remember, blending is cardio.
And now,
Dark brown here, or orangey brown, and just a little bit on the outer corner, and then blend it. And then we will do the final touch up on the gold later. I'm gonna use this shader brush here, which is like a very short tapered brush, and you can create a smoky look out of it. And I'm gonna go with a very dark brown, like this color here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fix Plus from MAC and my shader brush a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and go back with the bronze gold color, which I love. Be using the Fenty Beauty eyeliner, which is similar to the Kat Von D one, and I'm going to do my wing. I like to pull it for the wing. You guys can do however you're comfortable with. I'm going to go ahead and remove the powder using my Morphe M536. I'm just going to pull it out. Go away. I've recently been using the Morphe Warm Master Palette in 8W. You guys, I love this one. I'm gonna go ahead and use Babe. This is the shimmery, and let's see how it is. Stabbing it. Go back with Unapologetic, and I'm just gonna blend that. I'm gonna go with Anastasia Dark Side. I love. I don't usually put fake lashes in the morning. I don't have the time. And there are days when I want to rest and I don't want to put fake lashes. I love wearing them. I think it's from It Cosmetic. Otherwise, it's just called It. It is a 3-in-1 black primer, eyeliner, mascara. And I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eye. And I don't like using the white primer because it's so hard to blend it then. And the best part is you can actually take it in because it's so thin. And then of course your lower lash line as well. This is like the convenient way. I have been using the Dior Show Iconic Over Curl Mascara and I love it, and I really like the way the shape is. It's so easy to put mascara. The new Marc Jacobs what is it called, Guilty Omega Blaze highlighter. I am not a big fan of it. I've already used it once and I might be returning it. And then at the end I'm just gonna go ahead and color my brows again, or remove all the powder. I have been using the Pat McGrath Lips Ultra Lip Pencil. I have the color Done Undone, which is like a nude color, and I really like how creamy these lip liners are. I'm gonna be mixing two lipsticks. One is my go-to Slayer from Huda, and I did buy Shiro. I'm gonna make like an ombre kind of lip. I'm now gonna go ahead and add Slayer in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and use my go-to Morphe setting spray. Dang, I'm almost over this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Pat McGrath glosses as well, and I'm using the shade Angelic. And I'm gonna go ahead and tap it in the middle. Alright guys, is my final look. This is my go-to look. Finally, we're just gonna go ahead and quickly go through all the products and I'll tell you if they're worth it, if they're not worth it. And start with the Hudabeauty concealer. I don't know where the cap is anymore. You guys, this is
Worth it.
This is way better than Tarte Shape Tape. I think this is gonna be my go-to concealer now. And the shade was perfect for me. I am really impressed. And the Dior foundation, I did mention already, I love this. And similarly, Tasha, this is very good. I would definitely recommend brushes, you guys. It's definitely worth. These brushes are so soft, and I really like how blendable these are and how soft these are. And if you are a newbie and you're just starting makeup, the Master Collection is the best way to go because you get extra 11 more brushes. And even if someone wants to just, you know, build their collection, this is good. And it does have this travel kit to keep brushes that don't fall. And I'm really excited to travel with them. The two mascaras that I used, these are my holy grail already. Definitely worth it. Pat McGrath lipsticks, these are very expensive products, so if you really are into, go ahead and buy these. The Demi Matte lipsticks, I really like how it acts like a lip injection and feels that your lips are big and luminous and full, and that's what I really like, and that's how I feel that effect. And I love this. I will be buying more anyway. I'm gonna try all the other colors. Marc Jacobs highlighter. This one is the Morphe Warm Palette. Go buy this now. It is so good. It is worth it. It's cheap. Worth the splurge. Other than that, I used all the new products, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys like? It'll be fun. Let me know what you guys want me to try. It will be exciting. So I have some good news to also share, and that is I have finally decided that I have one day every week where I'm gonna go ahead and be posting beauty videos, and it will be every Sunday I'm really excited with this journey, and I really appreciate you guys being so supportive and being my blog, where I do add a lot of things about skincare. I will be adding makeup information very soon. Till then, you guys enjoy and see you in my next video. Goodbye.